Welcome to my channel. Today I'm guiding you through the rewarding and dynamic career of an airport ramp handling agent. If you're drawn to the energy of airports, enjoy outdoor work, and thrive in a team environment, this role might be your perfect fit. Ramp agents ensure that aircraft are efficiently loaded and serviced, playing a vital role that's essential for smooth flight operations in the aviation industry. If you're already keen to start your career and need some affordable online training, there's a link below this video to a short course, Airport Ramp Handling and Baggage Handling. Take a look and let me know what you think. As an airport ramp handling agent, your main duties include loading and unloading baggage, cargo, and mail from aircraft. You'll operate ground support equipment such as baggage carts and belt loaders, and guide planes to and from gates. In addition, you might handle aircraft servicing tasks like refueling and de-icing. Safety is paramount in this role. You'll follow strict protocols to ensure all operations are conducted safely and efficiently. Attention to detail is crucial because even a minor oversight can have significant consequences. What do you need to get started? Generally, a high school diploma or equivalent is sufficient for entry-level positions. However, a background in aviation or logistics can be a plus. Physical fitness is important, as the job can be physically demanding. Employers also look for candidates who can work well under pressure and as part of a team. Training is typically provided on the job, so prior experience isn't necessary. Many airports and ground handling companies offer comprehensive training programs covering equipment operation and safety procedures. This hands-on training ensures you're well prepared for the various tasks you'll encounter. Now let's talk about pay. The starting salary for an airport ramp handling agent in the United States typically ranges from $25,000 to $30,000 per year. With experience and added responsibilities, this can increase to $35,000 per year or more. Some companies offer overtime pay, significantly boosting your earnings. Experienced ramp agents in major airports can earn up to $50,000 or more annually. One of the great perks of this job is the potential for career advancement. Many ramp agents move on to become supervisors or managers, overseeing teams and coordinating ground operations. With further training and experience, opportunities exist to transition into other areas of airport operations or aviation management. Let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, it's a varied job that keeps you active and engaged. You'll work in an exciting environment with a chance to see different aircraft and meet people worldwide. The job also offers good security, as airports always need skilled ramp agents to keep things running smoothly. However, there are challenges. The work can be physically demanding, especially during peak travel times when flights are frequent and turnaround times are tight. You'll need to be prepared for all weather conditions, as ramp agents work outdoors in rain, snow, and shine. Additionally, the job often requires shift work, including early mornings, late nights, weekends, and holidays. If you're still interested in pursuing this career, here are a few tips to help you get started. Research the companies and airports in your area to see who is hiring. Tailor your resume to highlight relevant experience and skills, such as teamwork, communication, and attention to detail. During the interview process, be prepared to discuss your ability to handle physical labor and work in a fast-paced environment. Have you ever wondered what it's like to work on the tarmac? What aspect of airport operations intrigues you most? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more insights into the aviation industry and career advice. Check out the course links below the video for online training that can help you get started in this exciting field. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.